Attention, our pitcher's mound. It is time for tonight's Subway ceremonial first pitch. On the receiving end behind the plate, number 19, Carson Fulmer. First up to the mound, please welcome our special guest tonight, our first special guest, representing Williams Subaru, Allie Davis. Little heat on that one. Thank you, Allie. A nice toss to Carson Fulmer.
Tell us a little bit about LLS and what you guys do.
Sure. The Leukemia Lymphoma Society has been around since 1949, and we're the voice of the approximately 1.3 million people in the United States who are in remission from or suffering from a blood cancer, leukemia, lymphoma, multiple myeloma. And so they have, we've raised and invested more than $1.3 billion, that's with a B, billion dollars, in research and patient services over the last several years. One of the things about LLS is it's developing drugs that are treating cancer patients of all kinds. Yeah. I was diagnosed 9 years ago with hairy cell leukemia, and the drug that put me into remission, Rituxan, was developed by LLS, but now it's being used in in breast cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, and so we're finding that almost 40% of all of the cancer drugs approved by the FDA were developed by LLS. I was very fortunate to join a clinical trial at National Institute of Health and was able to receive this drug developed by LLS. And it's what you do, right? We're grateful that the young lady, one of the young ladies throwing out the first pitch, Allie Davis, she's a survivor. Those are two great ways to get involved. They can always go to lls.org/NC, and that will present a variety of opportunities. Obviously, number one, to give, sure. But also to volunteer, and you can fill out a questionnaire and someone will be in touch. We have a couple of big programs here in Charlotte. One's called Light the Night, which takes place at Romare Bearden Park on November 10th coming up, and that's raised over $1 million last year. And then another one called Man and Woman of the Year, which is typically in June, and that's raised over $1 million, almost $1.5 million. So we've raised a lot of money, and there are a lot of great partnerships in town with people like the Knights and with Williams Subaru, and it's fantastic.